So, what is an LFO? Well, an LFO is exactly the same thing as your standard oscillator. It is an oscillator, except it's a very slow oscillator or a low frequency oscillator. We use this oscillator to modulate things. We can modulate almost everything when we use plugins. We can modulate the volume. We can modulate the pitch. We can modulate the filter. And we can even modulate the reverb. The options are endless. Now, these oscillators are extremely crucial to creating movement in your sound. In its most basic form, you're able to control the amount or range of the movement, the shape of that movement by picking a preset waveform or drawing in your own shapes, and the speed or rate of that movement. Now, in most cases, we can synchronize the rate of the LFO to the BPM of our track, and that allows us to make some really great rhythmic basses. We can also change the shape of our LFO to make some really great stabs. Whatever you choose, don't be afraid to explore. And make sure to stick around, follow or subscribe, and I'll show you everything you need to know on how to start modulating with these LFOs. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.